My pocket of cash. No, you have to press. 87, yeah. No, forgot. Sorry. Okay, there. Begin fueling.
I did.
I'm like, why is it not working?
Wow.
Dude, you're so How long can you keep it up? Not long enough.
Oh yeah, this one gas station. We're gonna have so much footage of this one gas station.
Not long enough.
Wait, for YouTube.
Oh.
For YouTube.
Look at my toes.
Here, take a
Can you see my toes?
Wait, do you have those
Horizontal.
It took me like till 4th or 6th grade to know implement. Yeah, it was really sad.
Oh, I think.
Yeah, the pads were.
Fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.